Hi, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, also the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, both exhibiting a more positive tone in here over the last few sessions, but also pretty much in here from September and also accelerating higher from October, aiming still higher into November. Well, we have some certain events in here creating this US dollar strength. The US dollar strengthening against many currencies, particularly the yen and the Canadian dollar, as I say there. But really a more hawkish tone potentially coming through from the Fed. The announcement of the new Fed chairperson, some continuity there. If it's going to be Jerome Powell, reinforcing potentially a more hawkish, slowly shifts to a more hawkish stance from the Fed. We're also seeing positive data to continue to come through from the US economy, and then also the tax reform bill hopefully going through in November or being pushed through in November. Some positive soundings on that certainly continue to help the US dollar higher in a general risk-on scenario. So US dollar versus Japanese yen has pushed higher. We've got close to this key 114.50 level in here, just setting back from that over the last week, late October, but rebounding into early November and retaining a bullish tone. And if we look at the daily chart in here, you'll see this 114.50. It's an important peak from back here in July of this year. And should we clear above here, it quickly opens risk up to this 115.50.63 area of previous highs, and maybe then up even closer to 118.65. Similar story, not quite the same for dollar CAD in here. Dollar CAD was certainly in a more bearish theme in here with this whole sell-off we had from the middle of the year, from May. We reversed above the trend line, also an important resistance at 126.63, which neutralized bearish pressures. And now the more recent move in late October, the surge high that we've seen in here through from mid-October through 127.78, reinforcing not only a shift from bearish to neutral, but now to a more bullish tone. And we see real upside threat, maybe up close to this 130.15 target going forward into November. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist, on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.